The Earth is made up of so many incredible landforms shaped from the natural forces on our planet. Volcanoes are perhaps one of the most spectacular. So how are volcanoes formed?
This diagram shows that the Earth's crust is broken up into plates which move and crash into each other, subduct underneath one another, or pull apart.
The Earth is made up of a few main parts. Shown in the diagram is the outermost layer, which is the crust, the mantle, which is the middle, and the innermost layer, which is core. Underneath the Earth's surface in the mantle, hot magma rises and falls due to convection currents, which is the force that moves the plates. Magma rises up through cracks and fissures in the Earth's surface due to this tectonic activity. As the magma continues to rise, it solidifies, building the volcano. There are three main types of volcanoes that we will be focusing on: strato/composite, shield, and cinder volcanoes. A composite volcano has tall, steep slopes. It's made up of layers of cinder and ash. They are small in size, but they have high explosive tendencies and produce extremely dangerous eruptions. An example of a composite volcano is Mount St. Helens in Washington.
A shield volcano has gentle slopes and are large in size. They are made up of many layers of lava. They have lower explosive tendencies and produce less violent eruptions, just generally lava flows. An example of a shield volcano is most of the Hawaiian volcanoes, such as Mount Kilauea.
Cinder volcanoes have steep slopes. They are made of alternating layers of cinder and ash. They produce some violent eruptions and are the world's largest volcanoes. An example of a cinder volcano is Mount Vesuvius in Naples, Italy. For the experiment, you will need a small container, paint, a tray, glue and paper if you're doing paper mache, which is optional, sodium bicarbonate powder, and vinegar. We use glue and newspaper to make a paper mache model of the volcano. We then stuck the cup/container right on the inside. We then got out our sodium bicarbonate powder and our vinegar. So what happens during an eruption? Signs a volcano is about to erupt and during an eruption can include the ground shaking, lava spewing out, and ash may spew out as well. Join us in Costa Rica to find out what kinds of things we find in a volcanic area. Number 1. Igneous rock.
This is igneous rock.
Igneous rock is formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava.
Here in this mystical leaves and stuff, we see the beautiful landscape of the other mountains across, / volcanoes.
And here we are walking on some lava.
Right here on the lava, most of it's eroded from years.
Right, mate, so these are the lava rocks coming from the volcano. Right here is the moss and the lichens, and they're the primitive plants that grow on.
Another thing commonly found in volcanic areas are sulfuric bodies of water.
So here we have strings of the water and the... Oh, it burns!
Sulfur,
It's 100% acid!
Sulfur is present in the magma that is rising to the surface. It is emitted in both gas form as well as being present in the extrusive lava.
Right over here we got a big water hole and smells like eggs due to the exposure of the sulfur from the volcano. Also, I dipped my hand in it and I lost a finger.
This hot spring area smells heavily of sulfur. The heat from below the Earth's surface heats the magma, which as a result heats the water, and as shown here, boils it. Magma from below the Earth's surface in the mantle rises up through the cracks and fissures in the Earth's plates due to tectonic activity. As the magma continues to rise, it solidifies, building up the volcano.
There are three main types of volcanoes: strato/composite, shield, and cinder volcanoes.
Good day, mate. Here we are, hiking up the volcano today. So back there we saw some really lovely igneous rock. Oh. And I almost fell.
She has to do is say hi.
Oh, something. Yeah, 3 days we've been stuck here.
No, keep going. I can see Gigi. I'm also doing bloopers, so
You mean because of a lot of rain or what?
No, just the sea. As the Pacific and the Atlantic start to go up, coastal area.
You know, one at a time.
all right, mate. So these are the lava rocks coming from the volcano. Right here is the moss and the lichens, and they're the primitive plants that grow on off after the volcano. You ruined my project. Me yelling at Beatrix. Oh, nice to meet you. Here's a volcano. Jess, I'm filming.
Coming specifically from the volcano, right? So moving magma then, right?
Magma or just gas system?
This is so sad.
Nothing's happening!
It's because it's reacting with the glitter.
No, the glitter's non-toxic, so it doesn't have anything to do.
Sorry. It's making a weird jello.
You going like this?
Yum! Tastes like...
It literally tastes, it smells like onions and eggs. It literally smells disgusting.
It didn't work.
Go, 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 go.